Okay, here we go. Doing surface mount for an IMU board. First of all, we're going to line up the stencil by hand, which is sometimes a little bit tricky. We're just holding it here by sort of pressure. Okay, that looks pretty good. Take the razor blade, which has a bunch of solder paste on it, and we're going to slowly do a wipe. All the way across. Put it down, pop the stencil off, and voila, one solder pasted board. Now I'm going to clean the solder paste off the stencil using my isopropyl alcohol. Always do this first because the stencil is more important and harder to deal with than the board itself. If I really needed to, I could just wipe the solder paste off that and start over. Okay. So, here's this guy. Grab the really fine tip tweezers and we start placing parts. First part is an 0.1 microfarad capacitor, size 0603, which goes for the voltage regulator, and a second one, input and output on the voltage regulator. The third one goes on the second voltage regulator, and the fourth one the same. The fifth one, which is the last one, goes for the AT Mega 168. Now, this is a larger one, which goes for the bus between ground and power. And here's a really big one, 1206, 22 microfarad. Okay, this is a 10K resistor, which is the pull-up resistor for the reset line on the programming header. This is a 100 ohm resistor, which is for the transmit and receive line on the AT Mega. Basically a current limiter. I'm going to turn that a little bit. Here's the LED, which goes down. This is a 16 megahertz ceramic resonator, which goes there. This is a 5 volt regulator, which goes there. And this is a 3.3 volt regulator. The 3.3 volt regulator is for the two of the IMU chips. The 5 volt regulator powers the AT Mega and the one-axis gyro. Okay, and finally, the big guy, the AT Mega 168. This one's a little trickier to put on, so I use my second hand here to stabilize things. Place it very carefully. Looks like it's lined up pretty well there. And we're done. Take that board, put it with the others.